It starts with the water. Birds. And I hear the music. Smell fried food. Crowds. I look down and there are my 5-year-old feet. I see Kenzie. We're running, playing tag.
It's just you two?
Yeah, I don't know where my parents are. I don't know if any of this is even real. I could have just dreamt it so many times it's become a memory.
Maybe elements of it are. Put yourself in the memory. What does your sister look like?
She's wearing this yellow sweater. One of the buttons is missing, and her glasses. I wonder if she still wears them.
Are you still on the beach?
We're on a playground now. We imagined it's our castle. We used to play this game where we were royal siblings. We had a butler. James, I think we called him. We look up at the boardwalk and pick out what we want to ride when we're tall enough. We run to the amusement park, holding hands so we don't lose each other in the crowds. She's always like that, protective. We're on the carousel and I'm getting dizzy. The way she looks at me. She can never see me like that now.
What happened to your mom is not your fault. Your sister must know that by now.
Don't. Just don't. I don't want to get into this again.
All right. Go on.
She buys us cotton candy. Mom never let us have it, so of course we stuff our mouths. As we're walking down the boardwalk, one of the rides catches my eye. I run over to it, and when I turn back around, she's gone. I'm alone. I'm calling and I'm calling, but I don't see her. I feel sick from the cotton candy, maybe. Everything starts spinning. Where is Kenzie? I need to find her. And then I wake up. I can't remember what happened after. It's like I'm stuck in this one moment. I must have found her, or she found me, but I just can't remember.
Have you ever thought of an alternative ending?
Not yet.